Hi traders, and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which is Wednesday the 16th of February. So we're going to start with the FTSE. We said that FTSE found support again yesterday and we were in a bit of a chop zone, but if we can break above the 76.09 to 76.18 area, then the 76.29 to 76.37 area, we opened up a potential move towards 76.62 to 76.62 to 76.72, and we also had a big dividend this afternoon which could help with the bullish tone. So let's go and see what happened with the FTSE today. So with the FTSE today, we got the strong push up off the 75.87 to 75.95 zone, and we pushed straight through the 76.09 to 76.18 zone. We then failed initially at the 76.29 to 37 zone that we mentioned, but we was bullish and we had got acceptance above that 76.09 to 18 zone, and we was also had the big dividend. So there was actually a really nice continuation trade here off of that 76 on a retest of that 76.09 to 18 zone, which triggered in and then actually failed. This was a trade that we took ourselves, so just to I'd like to be honest and show you the losers that we take as well. So that was a valid trade signal, just retesting that 76.09 to 18 zone. With the market bullish and with that big dividend, I felt that we could potentially get push, then break up through this 29 to 37 zone and push higher. But we didn't, we failed, and we've actually ended up heading lower. So that's one thing that could have taken today. Now, when we actually got pushed back below, held it as support, there is a false break type. This is a sort of sell signal potentially here to push lower, and as you can see, the price did push lower and it has sort of consolidated for the rest of the afternoon, pushed a little bit lower. So we haven't seen, we threatened to show the bullish action that we was expecting with that big dividend early on in the session, but that hasn't materialised. And I'm not looking to do anything else this afternoon now with the market showing a little bit of weakness. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and take a look at the DAX. So on the DAX, we said it had bounced strongly again yesterday and we had to remain cautious of any longs. If we could hold the 15,300 to 325 support zone, then we had the potential to push higher again towards 595 to 610. And we said that was where resistance came in today. So let's go and have a look at the DAX action for today. So as you can see, a bit like the FTSE, we opened up and we did push higher. We came back down and we retested this zone here. So there's not really any way of getting in on this push higher. We said that we could potentially move up to this 595 to 610 zone all the time we were above 300. Now, we pushed up and then we sort of failed before we reached that area. No sort of real signals to get in on this move up here. And then we've sort of like moved down. So as we move down, I wouldn't really be looking to buy this. I wouldn't have minded buying some sort of breakout retest, as we could potentially have moved higher. But when the market's coming back down, I would be looking to this higher time frame and this much stronger support area of 300 to 325. So we haven't seen any signals there yet, but you can see we're just balancing a little bit. We're holding this area as support at the moment. All the time we're above here, we still have the potential to push higher. So we'll see again, as always. We'll see although we haven't had a trade from there today, we'll see where we are in the market tomorrow morning, and then we'll have to assess our bias and our trade locations there. So we'll update in our report. So there was a trade on the FTSE this morning. Quite a nice trade, which actually was a loser. The DAX hasn't really given anything too clear or great in terms of opportunities. So I hope you found this useful, guys, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Cheers.